Surd. A surd is basically a mathematical term of an irrational number that is expressed using a root symbol, such as a square root, like square root of x, or a cube root, like a cube root of x, right? So, a mathematical term, surd is basically a mathematical term for an irrational number which is in the square root form. Any irrational number which is expressed using a root symbol, that is its mathematical term, is also named as surd, right? Okay, let's do some examples. We need to simplify a few surds, right? Okay, so the first one I'm going to take as, let me simplify what is square root of 8. Okay, let me simplify this. So we can write down 8 as 4 times 2 is 8, and then we can split the square root sign on 4 and the square root sign on 2, and we know that root of 4 is 2, multiply root 2 is as it is, so the simplified answer is 2 root 2, or we can also say that 2 root 2 is root 8, right? Let's simplify some more examples of surds, which is, let's say, root 18. Let's simplify root 18, right? 18 we can simplify as 3 times 6 is 18. Yes. Okay, further simplify as 3 times 6 is 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, and let me break this. 3 times 3 is 9 times 2 is 18. Yes. Okay, so we can split this 9 and with root 2. You can also do it directly. 9 times 2 is 18 rather than doing 3 times 6 is 18. Root of 9 is 3 and we have a square root of 2. 3 square root 2 is also square root of 18. Okay, let's practice another example. If I have to simplify square root of 48, we need to break 48, right? All right, so for root 48, let me break 48 as simple as possible. 2 times 24 is 48, right? And we can break 24 as well. 2 into 24 is 2 times 12 is 24. Okay, simplify further. 2 into 2 and 12 is break into 2 times 6 is 12. All right, let me break 6 as well. 2 into 2 into 2 is as it is, and 6 is 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, now we can combine, make these two as a pairs, right? So we can write this in index form, right? 2 square into 2 square into 3. All right, now let me split the square root sign. 2 square, root of 2 square, multiply root of 3, and we know that the square is cancel out with the square root, right? Cube is cancel out with the cube root, right? Okay, so here we are left with 2 into 2 into square root of 3. So the simplified answer is 2 times 2 is 4 square root of 3. All right, let's do another example, one more for the practice, which is square root of 24. We have already done the square root of 24. We can break the square root of 24 as 2 times 12 is 24, right? And 12 is basically 2 times 6 is 12, and we can make this as a pair, right? So 2 square times 6, and here we have to split the radical sign, or we can say the surd sign, which is a root sign symbol, and root 6. So this square and the square root is cancel out to square root of 6. This is a simplified answer for root 24. So these are basically surds. Surds are basically the mathematical term which is used for the irrational numbers. Those irrational numbers which are expressed as a root symbol are also named as surds, right? Okay, let's do some addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the division. How do we add them, subtract them, multiply them? And in division, it is basically the rationalization of surds. Let's learn those things. We will learn the operations on surds, the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division operations in our next video. So this video is all about the definition of surd and how do we simplify the surds. So stay tuned if you need help in the operations of surds. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Take care.